Welcome back to our channel, guys, and today we're gonna have another tech video. If it's your first time with us, guys, please have a look on our channel, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel, hit the notifications bell so you can have our videos first. With this out of the way, we're gonna have a look today at earbuds, guys, HolyHigh earbuds. They were sent for free to me to do the review. I will tell you what I think, like always. I haven't been paid to do this review, so shall we have a look?
Check it.
So here's the box. It has been sent by Amazon without any plastic protection around the box, but as you guys can see, the box is quite good. So we got a picture of them on the front, and in the back we got all the specs. So Bluetooth 5, waterproof, auto pairing, magnetic charging, up to 5 to 6 hours talking, up to 6 hours playing music, standby 400 hours, and audio, cold audio in both ears. I'll be testing the microphone as well, so you guys can see the sound of the microphone. So let's open them. And here we go, this plastic protection around it. Let's take this out here. And let's take this out of the way. And here we go. Quite big, to be fair. It's quite a big box. As you guys can see, they resolve the problem with the box. The last one was a nightmare to open. Now it's like a magnetic close. So yeah, USB-C charging. Nice box though, nice feeling. Quite big, like I said, but nice feeling. What we got here? We have here, let's have a look. USB-C charging, and like always, extra pair of hooks and some soft cover for the earbuds. Okay. What else? And we have like a manual. Okay, nice. Let's have a look at them. When you open the box, you can see they got the lights on straight away. This is quite easy to pair. So let's put the phone on, and so you go on your Bluetooth. Here we go, Bluetooth, and you take them out of the charging case. Them out. Here we go. And let's see. Here we go, straight away. Here they are. As you guys can see, G4, you press, and that's it. They're connected straight away. As you guys can see, blue light, all done. Seconds, so this takes seconds. It was the first time I paired them, as you guys can see, and took seconds. So this is thumbs up, easy pairing, no problems at all. Right, so this is the case. Show you guys once more, without them. They are nice ones, small ones. So they are for sports, so to running. That's why they got this hook here, as you guys can see. Sorry, the autofocus is not working properly because they are black. Here we go. As you guys can see, they got this hook here because they are for sports. So if you are running, it's quite nice. I tried to run with them. As you guys can see, when you're running, they will stay pretty well. It's no problem whatsoever. As you guys can see, look, yeah, they're pretty good. Well, they're made for this, for sport, so yeah, this is a thumbs up. And they will stay on your ear. They're quite good, and the sound is nice. For the price, it's a good sounding. The bass is good, the stereo is quite nice. I like them. For the price, talking about price, they are $36.99, I think, on Amazon. Pounds. A little bit more probably for US, but I'll put the links down below so you guys can check it. And if you want to buy it, please do it using my links. As always, I will get a small commission, and for you guys it will be free. Right, guys, so I will be testing them now with the sound. So the microphones, as you can see, they hook up here on your ear, quite good. And if you're going for a run, The issue with earbuds for running is that, okay, they'll fit alright and everything is fine, but when you start running, they will fall off. So with these ones, you got extra protection here, for the hook here, and it will stay amazing. Quite nice. I will put the green ones in a minute so if you guys can see. So now I'm gonna record a sound and on my phone using the earbuds, and so you guys can see the sound. So give me a second.
One eternity later.
Right guys, now we're gonna use the sound of the microphone coming from the earbuds. Let's press record and see if it's working. I think it's working now. The sound is not that bad. This was made to run and listen music, like doing sports and things like that, not to make phone calls. You can do it if you want to. So I think it's an acceptable microphone. Look at the price, and they're earbuds, isn't it? So yeah, earbuds is to listen music, not to make phone calls. Okay guys, that's it. Let's switch back to the camera. Right guys, so to end this review, let's talk about them again. So you guys have, let's change this, because I like the green, I don't know why. And if you're doing sports, I like to have green. What do you guys think? Yeah, I do like green. So let's have a look and see how easy this is. So you take them out and you put it back, and that's it. Here we go. Have a look. What do you guys think? I have to move away from the camera so you guys can see. Yeah, pretty much okay, isn't it? So to finish, my opinion, if I recommend them, yes I do. For sports, they are the best in my opinion. Good sound, good bass, stereo, and USB charging, and they will stay. As long as you got the case charged, they will stay charged as well. If you are using them when you're running, it's perfect. They will stay and they will not go away. The price, like I said, is $36.99. I think it's an okay price for the earbuds. Don't forget that with that price, you got Bluetooth 5, you got waterproof, so you can swim with them, and yeah, I think guys, when I got them in the first time, I said, oh, the case is big, and I don't think, and they got the hook, I don't think I will like them, but I do, because the hook helps a lot. I used to do workout and run with my other earbuds, and they keep falling off because they don't have the hook. So yeah, I think the hook is a good choice. And that's it guys, it's all for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget, the link will be down below on the description, and if you guys like it, please by using my link, I will have a small commission, and for you guys will be free. So I'll hope you guys come back to my next video next week guys. See you there, bye.